the ability to access resources during the COVID showed the urgent need to restructure the global financial order, and it has become more urgent than ever before. We live in one world, an interconnected world, whose peoples have the same aspirations and challenges. Therefore, we are in urgent need to adopt a financial system that is able to change these tangible and painful realities. The time has come to leave behind obsolete structures and to remedy historic ills and to build a financial order that is in line with the values of joint prosperity and collective progress. Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot plant the seeds of stability and progress unless there is a land that is nourished with the principles of consultation and inclusiveness. Today, our world faces unprecedented challenges as we witness the unprecedented increase in violence. We see that new technologies such as artificial intelligence pose new and terrifying threats. The noticeable increase in armed conflicts and military coups, especially in the African continent, is a source of deep concern because these conflicts have a destructive impact on the lives of civilians and lead to displacement